तो आज हम क्लास 12th की चैप्टर ह्यूमन रिप्रोडक्शन की क्वेश्चंस करने वाले हैं। एमसीक्यू बेस्ड है। तो चलिए दोस्तों हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो हमारा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, टू डैश लीड टू वास्ट डिफरेंस डेट ascend to dash and loop over and dash। तो इस ब्लैंक में जो दिया है उसमें क्या होगा, कौन सी ऑप्शन करेक्ट होगी बताइए। ऑप्शन ए, बी, सी, डी, विच ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट? तो ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट। ओके, एपिडिडायमिक्स, द epididymis lead to the vast difference that ascend to abdomen and loop over urinary bladder। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, the enlarged end of penis covered by a loose fold of skin is called? Which option is correct? Option B is correct, foreskin। Okay, next question है, which of the following is transporting tube leading from the bladder to which brings urine outside the body by penis? Which option is correct? Option D is correct, urethra meatus। Next question, vast efferentia are the ductless leading from? Option C is correct, red testis to vas difference। Okay, next question है, which of the following hormone maintains the functioning of male sex accessory gland and duct? Option B is correct, androgen। Next question, semen is constituent of seminal plasma with? Which option is correct? Option B is correct, sperm। Okay, next question, two types of cells present in the lining of seminiferous tubule and are and? Option B is correct, male germ cells and Sertoli cells। Okay, next question, क्वेश्चन 8। तो देखिए कौन सा क्वेश्चन है, विच ग्लैंड रिलीज अ स्मॉल अमाउंट ऑफ फ्लूइड जस्ट प्रायर टू इजैकुलेशन टू डिक्रीज एसिडिटी इन द यूरेथ्रा कॉज्ड बाय यूरिन? ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट, bulbourethral gland। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन 9, a sac shaped like an upside down appear with a thick lining and muscle cells in the pelvic area where a fertilized egg or zygote comes to grow into a baby is called? Option B is correct, uterus। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन 10 है, which of the following is a finger like structure and lies at the upper junction of the two labia minora above the urethral opening? Option A is correct, clitoris. Next question. Question 11. Which of the following produces sperms in spermatogenesis? Option D is correct, immature male germ cell. Next question. Question 12. In the process of spermatogenesis, first mature division is called. Option B is correct, reduction division. Okay. Next question. Question number 13. Spermatides are transformed into sperm by the process is called. Option D is correct, spermiogenesis. Option D is correct. Okay. Next question. Question number 14. In human, male germ cells differentiate into dash end of first mitotic division. Option C is correct. Secondary spermatocyte. In human, male germ cells differentiate into secondary spermatocyte end of the first mitotic division. Next question 15. Increased secretion of which hormone start the process of sperm formation at the time of puberty? Option D is correct, GnRH. Next question. Question number 16. Which of the following stage of oogenesis form a membrane called zona pellucida surrounding it? Option D is correct, secondary oocyte. Next question. Question number 17. By which process sperms released from the seminiferous tubule? Option A is correct, spermatization. Next question. Question number 18. Which of the following contains a fluid filled cavity called antrum? Option C is correct, tertiary follicle of ovary. Next question. Question number 19. Menstruation is triggered by a sudden decline in the amount of hormone secreted by corpus luteum. Identify the hormone. Option C is correct, progesterone. Next question. Question 20. Level of which hormones are at their highest during the luteal phase, second half of the cycle of the menstrual cycle? Option B is correct, progesterone. Next question 21. Which phase of menstrual cycle is also called proliferative phase? Proliferative phase. Option C is correct, follicular. Okay. Next question 22. Which phase of menstrual cycle is also called secretory phase? Option A is correct, luteal. Question 23. Which of the following indicates pregnancy? Option A is correct, lack of menstruation. Next question 24. When semen is released by the penis into the vagina during copulation, then it is called obsemination. Next question, question number 25. At the time of implantation, the human embryo is called. Option C is correct, blastocyst. Okay. Next question 26. Fusion of haploid nucleus of sperm and that of ovum turn to the formation of. Option A is correct, zygote. Next question 27. Which of the following differentiate into embryo? Option D is correct, inner cell mass. Next question 28. Trophoblast and inner cell mass are the arrangements of blastomeres as outer and inner layers respectively in. Option D is correct, blastocyst. Next question 29. After birth colostrum is released from mammary gland which is rich in. Option C is correct, protein, antibodies and low in fat. Questions number 30. Finger-like projection called chorionic villi appear on the dash after the implantation. Option B is correct, trophoblast. Next question 31. Which of the following hormone is produced in women only during pregnancy? Option A is correct, relaxin. Next question 32. The placenta is formed from the dash of the embryo and the dash of the mother. Option B is correct, chorion and endometrium. Next question 33. Primary germ layers are. Option D is correct, ectoderm, endoderm and mesoderm. Next question 34. Which of the following hormone act in uterine muscles and cause it stronger contraction? Option C is correct, oxytocin. Next question 35. Colostrum is. Option D is correct, is a source of antibodies essential to develop resistance against diseases in newborn babies. Next question 36. Accession in morula stage cell divide without increase in region. Zona pellucida remains undivided till cleavage is complete. Option A is correct. In both assertion and reason are true, and reason is a correct explanation of assertion. Question number 37. Dash is a sticky white or yellow fluid secreted by the breasts during the second half of pregnancy and for a few days after birth before breast milk comes in. Option B is correct. Colostrum. Next question है 38. By the end of how many weeks major organ system are formed during the embryonic development? Option C is correct. 12 weeks. Next question 39. Which of the following includes a fetal ejection reflex? Option B is correct. Fully developed fetus and placenta. Next question 40. Which are the following statements regarding incorrect? Option A is correct. Prolactin includes uterine contraction, parturition age. तो दोस्तों यही हमारी लास्ट क्वेश्चन थी. ओके.